Good morning, all are you. Welcome to our college, Sharad Institute of Technology, Polytechnic, EDRA, Department of Information Technology. Today start 5th lecture on course that is subject name Applied Multimedia Techniques. In their total, there are 5 units. Unit number 1, Introduction to Multimedia. Unit number 2, Image Editing and Compression. Unit number 3, Web Page Development using Multimedia. Unit number 4, Create 2D Animation. And unit number 5, Create 3D Animation. In that syllabus, we already start the unit number 1, Introduction to Multimedia. This subject is only for practical subject, no theory exam. Okay. Summary of previous lecture. In a previous lecture means in that last lecture we studied the points, color models, and after that basics of graphics. In under the sub points we have studied which are basic of shapes, hardware and software requirement of multimedia, means you use the multimedia through we create the object. That time which softwares and which hardware requirements are used, that are studied in a last lecture. After that we studied characteristics of multimedia. Okay, now we start the next points. Okay, in that analog and digital representation of media. Media means any through we create the object of multimedia. Okay, that time how we through create using through analog and digital representations. Okay, means what, any object we create using through analog or a digital. Okay, so in that points are added. And in a DCO subject means data communication, and in a DTM subject which are currently in a semester you studied, in that also in detail study what is meant by signals, what is meant by analog, what is meant by digital. Okay, in that only for study the concept, what is the analog signal and what is the digital signal. These points why we added in this your syllabus of point, because you create the any object, means you transmit the information. Okay, using through media. Okay, when we transmit the information by using through signals. Okay, that are signals in a analog signals or a digital signals. So these points are added in your syllabus. Okay, analog and digital signals are used to transmit information usually through electronic signals. Okay, means when we transmit the information, in which to use in a analog signals or digital signals are used. Okay, through the electronic signals through transmit the information. In both these technologies, the information such as any audio or video is transmitted into electronic signals. Okay, means using these both through technologies, the information such as any audio file or video file is transmitted into the electronic signals. Audio and video is the multimedia objects. So in that point are added, means how to transmit that data using through electronic signals. Which are electronic signals? Analog signals or digital signals. Clear that? The difference between analog and digital technologies is that below. In a analog technology, information is translated into electronic pulses of varying amplitude. Means what? In that analog technologies, which how to information are translated using electronic pulses, and in a digital technology, translation of information into binary format. Okay, means 0 or 1. You know, already known as the binary format. You are IT department students, so you know what is meant by binary numbers. Binary means 2, means 0 and 1. Okay, where each bit is representative of 2 distinct amplitudes. Okay, means in that point only clear that analog signal, digital signals through your information convey using electronic signals, and that analog technology means that electronic pulses, and digital technology means binary format, means 0 and 1. Okay. In analog signal, wave denoted by sine waves, means in analog signals how to wave denoted using that sine signal. Sine waves means this type. Okay, and in a digital signal, waves denoted by square waves, in that square. both signals denoted are different in that sine wave and in that square wave. Square wave means digital signal and sine wave means analog signals. Clear that? After that, examples. Analog signal, that examples are human voice in air. When human are talking, your voice is speaking, that in a air through that message, that information are transmit using through analog signals, means using through sine waves. Okay, and any analog electronic machine device are also example of analog signal. And digital signal, that examples are, which the examples of digital signals, that are computers, CDs, DVDs, etc. and other digital electronic device, means any digital device are the example of digital signals. Okay, how it is computer, CDs, DVDs. Computer, you already know what is meant by computer. In a computer, which language are used? Okay, or which language are understood by computer? By the binary format. So these are the example of digital signals, means that are know the language 0 and 1. So these are the examples of digital signal. In the analog and digital representation of multimedia, in that point only know the what is meant by analog signal, what is meant by digital signal. Analog signal means what? That are electronic pulses, and digital signals means binary formats. And inner analog signals are denoted by sine waves, and digital signals are denoted by square waves. And their examples: human voice in a air, that these are the example of analog signals, because in a air through that voice, that information are conveyed or translated using through sine waves. So that are signals. Which signals are used? Analog signals. Okay, and in a digital signals means computer. Okay, computer through where message or information transmitted, it using through in which format? Digital signals. You already know any informations are conveyed, translated, that using through any type of signals. Which signals? Digital or analog. Okay, why in using multimedia? Because you know the media through in audio, video, these are the examples of, or these are the media, these are the examples of or types of your multimedia. So how to audio, how to video are translated using through signals. Okay, means that one type of information. Okay, you create the any object, you create the any multimedia, means you information are translated. Okay, so in that how through which possible? Using through signals. So these points are added. Okay, only for concepts it's clear that this information is enough, or this concept is enough for only for your diploma level students. Okay, next slide or next point: creating multimedia based applications, means in a multimedia based applications, how to it create. Okay, more than one applications are present in a multimedia, but basic applications which are recording the audio, recording the video, capturing the image. Okay, that how to it create, that are known. Okay, that are seen in that point. Multimedia in the application allows the user to play and record audio and video, also use the device camera to take photos. Means what? In that which applications are taken? Multimedia based applications. For example, audio record or play, video record or play, or camera through take a photos. Okay, next point: when creating multimedia applications, you can implement the following features. Means when we creating the multimedia, then following features are followed. Means when audio playback and recording, means what? When we audio are recorded and play, which features are used? Means which steps through are used? These are: you can play audio content in a device player using various audio format. Means many more in a market, more than one devices through we are audio recorded are listen. Means for example, your songs are listen. For example, MX player or using media player, means your MP3. Okay, MP3, that video audios are listen. Okay, how to it is possible? Using through any device. Okay, device player using through we that play that audio. Okay, after that you can record and store audio content for later playback. Means after that you record that audio, after that you store it. Okay, why we store? Because in a later or in a after you use it, means you play it. Playback means after that also play. So when handling audio resources, you can implement various control functions to manage both the playback and recording task. Okay, means what? In when you implement this device through any recording audio, that or controls other various controls or functions to manage that both playback and recording task. Okay, means what? In that point only told that any audio how to record and play. First of all you select the device. Okay, in which device through we record the audio. After that we record it and it store it. Why we store? Because after that you playback. Okay, after that using that when we recording and play, that are the in which through resources are used, that are we control and functions on that manage. Okay, means are any editing purpose we use. Okay, when we any record the audio, after that you also effect on that. Okay, so in that told that we control that functions. Okay, after that video playback and recording, means any video we record and play. Okay, that how to be possible? First you can play video files in a device player using various video file formats. In various video file formats through you play the video. Okay, for example VLC player and means MP4 media or Windows player, that's like. Okay, that's like through devices through we play the videos. Okay, that we can. After that next point you can record, after that store video files for later playback. Same, first of all you device select, after that we record that video, after that store. Why we store? Because after or later you again we play. Okay, playback. So when handling a video resources, okay, you can implement various control functions to manage both the playback and recording task. When we playback and recording task are used, that time to manage or that controls and functions of that both resources. Okay, same as the audio like. After that image capturing with camera. Okay, means what? In that which media is used? Camera media is used. You can use the device camera to preview image in a real time. Means in a real time we preview that image. When we camera is you capture the image, that you camera in front of your eyes. Okay, that time you preview that image in a real time. Okay, after that you capture it, means you click it. Okay, means you can capture and save the image for the later playback. Means you capture it, means you click that photo and its image is save it. After that you playback, means you watching. Okay, when watching purpose you save that. Okay, after that next point, when we handling the device camera. Okay, in that when we handling video resources, for example there are the VLC player we use, VLC resources used, that time the many functions controls are there, and this through we edit or changes in that recording and playback task. Okay, the same as when handling the device camera, you can control which device camera to use and how to configure the camera settings. Clear that? Means for example when we first of all you open that camera, means device camera is select, after that capture that photo, after that save it. When we save it, after using that using that camera through, when we camera is click, that time your settings are changed, means that zoom in, zoom out or clear, same. Okay, that settings are you change, or night, day, that's like. Okay, that means you edit it, means we that control that device. Okay, so in that, and how to it is configured you already know. Okay, that change it, means in short you edit that. Okay, after that you when your image is saved, after that you edit on image, means that dark, white, black or any color, that's like editable. Okay, so in that told that means in that point said that how to create the multimedia based applications, means multimedia applications how to create. Okay, in that more than applications are there, but in that taking a basic applications which are, for example, you recording the audio, recording the video, capturing the image. It is a one type of a multimedia. Okay, because we create the object, so that example, that applications are taken. Clear that? In short, how to record the image, how to record the audio, how to record the video, and how to capture the image. Okay. After that, media authoring. Okay, next point, next slide. In that point, taking multimedia authoring. Multimedia authoring, the process of creating multimedia applications. Okay, means what? Multimedia authoring is the process of that any creating multimedia applications, mean any applications we create that are processing using by multimedia authoring. Authoring means give the author. Okay, how type of author? Means editing purpose. Means you are any applications are created, means you audio is recorded, video is recorded, capturing the image. After that, you any editable, any changes that, okay, that are known as the multimedia authoring. Okay, that process is known as the multimedia authoring. During authoring, in that point told that during authoring you might need to organize or edit the elements of your multimedia project, create user interface and designing interactivity. Okay, means any interactivity purpose you design, change it. Okay, also user interfaces in that project means that application, multimedia project, that elements you are edit or organize might be need using through authoring, that known as the multimedia authoring. Clear that? Means same simple in the word, you any create the application or any create the multimedia project, that under the projects that elements are edit or organize using through, means that process known as authoring, multimedia authoring. Authoring means give the authority to change that change or edit on that elements of that multimedia object which are created. Okay, object means your project or your application. Okay, for the designing purpose or for interface, user interface purpose, you changeable. Okay, that's known as the authoring. Okay, next point, multimedia authoring tools provide the framework for organizing and editing the elements of a multimedia project. Means how it is possible, how through edit and organize using through one provide a framework, means tools are provided, using that tools through we editing or organizing the elements of multimedia project. Okay, means what? Simple example, you use the paint. Okay, in a paint any image is taken, first of all the original image. After that, using through tools means what? We change the color or we change the size, etc. Means this type of, means you are one type of you editing on that image. So that are known as the image authoring tools. That are the we provide the tools, that using through tools, that using through frameworks through you editable that on image. So that are known as the multimedia authoring. Simple in word. Okay. Authoring software provides in that told that authoring software provides an integrated environment for combining the content and functions of project. Means that functions provided. Functions means that tools. Okay, that effects are that are present in that functions, and contents means that tools are provided. In using that tools, contents and function through we integrated that on multimedia project. Okay, that authoring softwares are provided. Okay, we seen that authoring softwares means use the GIF animator or Pencil 2D. Okay, that's like one type of a softwares. Okay, that using through softwares you editable or organize that object or that project or that applications of multimedia. Okay, that are known as the multimedia authoring. Next point, fundamentals of virtual reality. Okay, virtual reality means of VR. Okay, the computer generated simulation of a three-dimensional image or environmental that can be interacted with in a seeming real or physical way by a person using special electronic equipment is known as your virtual reality. Means what are the fundamentals? Means what is meant by virtual reality? One type of electronics device or known as the electronics equipment. Okay, means any one a special electronics equipment that using through you see the any three-dimensional image or any environmental that can be interact with in a real or any physical way. Means you feel that it is the real or any it actually is created. That's we feeling that. Okay, using through one type of equipment. That equipment is known as electronic equipment that are known as the virtual reality. Clear that? Such as the, for example, helmet with a screen inside or gloves fitted with sensor. Means that fitted the sensor and screen inside that. After using that helmet through, we seen that the any 3D image or any actions or any actions are that's like you seen that. After that you feel that it is the real or you actually work it. Okay, that's like you feeling that you how it is possible using through that electronics equipment. Means using that helmet that are known as the virtual reality. What are the applications? Means in which applications are used that virtual reality? In a, for example, entertainment application and educational purpose. Means entertainment, it is a one type of application of multimedia, and educational, it is a one type of application of multimedia. Okay, in how it is possible, how to virtual reality is used. Okay, in a entertainment application such as video gaming and 3D cinema. Clear that? Means when you watching the 3D cinema or video gaming is seen, that we use the virtual reality. Means that to use the one type of electronics equipment that are known as the virtual reality. Okay, means what goggles are used. Okay, when you seeing the 3D cinema, that time to use the goggle. Okay, means using through goggles we seen that it is a real life in you feeling that as it real is activated or real is worked. Okay, so feeling is that how it is possible using that equipment, so that are known as the virtual reality. Okay, after that, educational purpose such as medical or military training. When we giving the any military training or any medical training, that time to also use that equipment. Okay, also known as the virtual reality. Means how it is possible in a military training. For example, enemy are actually not enemy are present, but imagine that in front of you that enemy are present, and how to it is interact with that, or how to it is how to it is face to that enemy. Okay, that's like in a medical also any diseases in your front of you, how it is to interact or how it is to face that are when we studied. Okay, means after under the educational, that time to use the electronics equipment. Okay, but it is not in a real, but you like or you feel that it is a real. Okay, how it is possible using that using that electronic equipment, means known as the virtual reality. Best example is that when we your 3D cinema, you seen that, or you video gaming. When you watching that video gaming, you feel that you are going in that gaming, or you that play it. That's like you feeling that. So how it is possible using that media or using that equipment, that are known as the virtual reality. Clear that point? Okay. Summary of that on today's lecture is that we studied in that lecture analog and digital representation of media, creating multimedia based applications. After that, fundamentals of virtual reality. Okay, that are point to us only for sub points, but you are in a real, that points are one type of subject or any full chapter, but for you that give the sub points in a first in a one chapter. So not in a detailed study, only for clear that points. What is mean by what is the analog and digital signals? Why are added in your syllabus, means in a multimedia, okay? Or what is the multimedia, or creating the multimedia based applications means your which applications, means any multimedia applications we create, means you any create the multimedia, how to it is create, that's like, okay? Or fundamentals of virtual reality, okay? It is a one type of subject, or in details we studied, more than sub points are there, but only for your level, means your diploma level, only for studying concept, only for what is that, only for what is that, it clear that here it's okay, okay? Homework on that today's lecture, only for write in your notebook today's lecture points, only for that lectures means what, that you provide that PPTs, that's like your notes, either your PPTs are continue your sequence of lectures, okay? This is fifth lectures, means up to fourth lecture you syllabus already up to fourth lecture you points, lecture points are written in your notebook, that continue the next lecture point, okay? There is no any theory paper, so not given the any your for your homework, means assignments etc, okay? Only for notes are written in your notebook, okay? Notes means your PPT points are in a mention in details of your points, so that's only for write down your notebook, means your notes are complete. When we start that practicals, that time given a homeworks, okay? That's in a theory parts, only for return the your theory points or lecture points in your notebook, enough, it's okay. Okay, now here stop today's lecture, okay? Any points arise, then contact with me, no problem. After that, on this in this lecture in our WhatsApp group, and provide some examples of multimedia videos, links are provided, that see it, watch it and enjoy it, okay? Thank you.